I'm Scott the Nature Guy. Sometimes when I'm working around the garden, I tend to forget about all the wonderful history that's around us, like this really cool water pump. Wow! Let's see if we can learn a little about water pumps. Water pumps go back as far as 200 BC, when Greek inventor and mathematician Ctesibius invented the water organ, which is very similar to this hand pump. To get to the water, they would take a big drill and drill down into the ground until they hit water. Then they would run a long pipe down and connect it to the pump. The pump action would suck up the water. In the old days, typically if you wanted water, you'd have to pump it out with a pump like this, or scoop it out of a well, or out of a creek in a bucket. That led to a lot of sickness. Also, many people would collect rain in a rain barrel. A lot of people still do that today. Oh boy, that's good. Many people wanted running water in the 1890s, and you could buy a pump like these from the Sears catalog for less than $5. Well, that's all the time we have today. Until next time, I'm Scott the Nature Guy.